Chapter 13, Classification of Non-Routine Maintenance. Non-routine maintenance tasks are essential activities that are performed on an occasional basis. These tasks do not adhere to a regular schedule or occur at set intervals. To access the non-routine maintenance jobs, navigate to the Maintenance module and select the Non-Routine Jobs option. You can filter the maintenance tasks or simply click the Accept button to view them all. To add a new job, click on the Add button in the toolbar. Enter the name of the individual reporting the maintenance issue and select the type of maintenance required or already completed. Corrective maintenance is carried out after equipment failure to restore normal operation promptly. Predictive maintenance utilizes real-time data to predict potential failures and intervene before breakdowns occur. Preventive maintenance is scheduled to prevent failures and maintain equipment in good condition through regular inspections. Predictive maintenance utilizes real-time data to predict potential failures and intervene before breakdowns occur. Support maintenance involves tasks that support other maintenance processes to ensure equipment and tools are readily available. Improvement maintenance focuses on making modifications to enhance efficiency or prolong the useful life of equipment. The other category encompasses any extraordinary work not covered by the previous options. It is important to note that any non-routine maintenance includes tasks with a documented history associated with a specific piece of equipment.